Very good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the classification of material based on energy band structure. So, we're talking about energy band gap, energy levels, various bands in different categories such as insulator, conductor, and semiconductors. So, first of all, what do you mean by insulators? Insulators are those devices who does not conduct electricity, that is known as insulators. So here we have conduction band and valence band. As we seen in this diagram, there is a huge band gap between conduction band and valence band. So it is not possible to movement of electrons from valence band to conduction band due to this gap, because it is approximate is equal to 7 electron volt. So what it means, an insulator is a material having extremely poor electrical conductivity. For example, wood, paper, glass, these are the examples of insulator. So next category is conductor. Conductor are those devices who conduct electricity. So here we seen conduction band and valence band, they overlap with each other. What it means? That means there is no forbidden gap between these two bands. So it has a large number of free electrons in conduction band. So as we seen in this diagram, there is a huge movement from valence band to conduction band. That's why they overlap with each other. So if we talk about examples of conduction band, that is aluminium, silver, and copper, to name a few. Third category is semiconductor. Semiconductor are those devices at below 0 degree Kelvin temperature, they behave as an insulator, and above 0 degree Kelvin, they behave as an conductor. So those devices are known as semiconductor. If we talk about the energy level diagram of semiconductor, there is a narrow band gap between conduction band and valence band. So that means electrical properties between insulator and conductor lies very narrow. What it means, conductivity is proportional to the free electrons. So examples for that is germanium and silicon. Next is types of semiconductor. Semiconductor broadly classified into two categories: intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. In intrinsic semiconductor we known as pure semiconductor, and in extrinsic semiconductor we have impurity added semiconductors, also we known as impure semiconductors. So it further classified into two categories: n type semiconductor and p type semiconductor. In n type semiconductor we connect n terminal with the negative of the battery, and in p type we connect p terminal with the positive of the battery. So these are the classification of semiconductors. Thank you.